Your belly button is the central point of your body that can be the focus to boost your health. You can massage your belly button for a few minutes at a time to promote gut health, stress relief, pain relief, and energy boost. Also, you can aim to cure illnesses by applying a few drops of essential oils on the belly button. Coconut oil and olive oil help with fertility issues. Almond oil helps to make the skin glow. Neem oil helps to reduce acne. Castor oil helps to reduce joint pain. Lavender oil helps to relax the body and sleep. This video was not intended to make any medical claims, and you are advised to consult a licensed medical expert before trying any of the treatments mentioned. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to ensure you receive notifications of useful videos for fulfillment for life.